Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by loading garments evenly to avoid imbalance. This protects the drum and bearings. Once loaded, add the correct detergent to the main wash chamber, liquid or powder labeled for front-load use, and close the drawer. Next, turn the program dial to a suitable cycle like cotton or mixed, because those deliver the right temperature and spin profile. Press start. The machine will lock the door and begin filling. Make sure to adjust temperature and spin speed before start if you need gentler care. Once the cycle runs, monitor the control panel to ensure the selected temperature and spin speed match fabric needs. Lower degrees C for delicate saves energy and protects fibers. If you see heavy detergent residue or stain risk, press pre-wash or extra rinse so soil is flushed out. This prevents redeposition. During operation, the remaining time updates. Avoid pausing mid-sudden high spin to prevent imbalance. If you must pause, wait until the drum stops, and the door unlocks before opening to avoid leaks or injury. When the cycle ends, you should wait for the door unlock indicator to illuminate. Opening earlier risks water spillage and triggers safety locks. Remove garments promptly to reduce creasing and mildew. Leave the door slightly ajar to air the drum. For maintenance, run a 60 degrees empty wash monthly with a descaler to clear buildup. If the machine won't start, first verify power and the door is fully closed, then check the display for an error code. Consult the manual for that code to resolve latch, drain, or sensor faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.